Are you tired of wasting time searching for the perfect font? We have the solution for you. Introducing Adobe Creative Cloud's powerful font management system. It's compatible with Photoshop, InDesign, Illustrator, Sketch, and Affinity. Enjoy unparalleled accuracy with our patented Font Sense technology. Activate the exact versions of fonts you need effortlessly. Save time by searching fonts by mood and vibe. Get tailored font pairing recommendations and discover new fonts from independent type foundries. Experience font freedom. Connect supports all fonts, whether they're from Adobe, Google, boutique foundries, or custom designs. Collaboration is seamless. Share fonts and assets quickly with your team, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Lastly, safeguard your projects with Connect Plus Insight. Scan for font usage and license risks with fast reporting. Don't miss out. Enhance your workflow today by leveraging the power of Adobe Creative Cloud for your font management needs.